Everyone has work that piles up and things tend to get lost in the shuffle. Whether it's paying bills, buying coffee, or filling up your gas tank, write it down, keep a receipt, but be sure to track it. Tracking your spending helps you demystify your money. You gain a sense of power and a sense that you're in control of your money instead of it in control of you. Awareness of your money helps you improve your situation and grow your business. Hello QuickBooks Online users. My name is Travis Waldron. I'm a quality assurance engineer working on QuickBooks Online. Today I'm going to show you how to track your expenses using either write checks or pay bills. So let's go ahead and jump into the product. After we log into QuickBooks Online, we're going to go to the banking menu, then write checks. On the write check screen, we'll type in our vendor. In this case, we went to Staples and bought some pens, pencils, paper, whatever. So we would type in Staples. When buying stuff from Staples, I consider it office supplies, so I want to track this expense against the office supplies expense account. We'll then type in the amount and the description of what we just bought. It's great to type in the description so we can go back and see exactly what we bought. You may not always have the receipt handy, or you may simply lose it, and usually within 24 hours you forgot what you bought. So this is a great place to track it. If you make entering a description a habit, it becomes routine and speeds up the process each time you enter your expenses. In this case, we're using the write check screen to track our expense, but we can use this screen for any type of transaction that influences our bank account. So in this case, we went to Staples and used our debit card. So to track this, we simply go into the check number field, delete the check number, and type in debit. Doing this allows us to use one screen for all of our expenses affecting our bank account. Another way to track expenses in QuickBooks Online is through the Enter Bill screen. We use the screen usually to track bills that we're not going to pay today. In this example, I'm going to use my water bill. I get it once a month, but don't have to pay it till the end of the month. I'll type in my vendor, Bayshore Water in this case, the date of the bill, the amount, and then the due date. Again, we'll need to enter an account so we can look at our P&L and we can see exactly where our money is going. In this case, it was a water utility, so I chose the water utility expenses account. Again, we'll enter a description of the transaction. In this example, I entered in a memo. This may be something that is unique to the specific bill and we want to have a record of it. Pay bills is a little bit different than write checks in the sense that in a month or so, I'll need to go back and pay off this bill. To do that, we will go back to the vendor menu and choose either Pay One Vendor, and that is going to pop up the bill once I select that vendor, or I can select Vendor Pay Bills, where I see a list of all my bills I need to pay. Simply click on the checkbox next to the bill you want to pay, and the amount will fill in automatically. Again, even though it is asking for a check number, you don't have to use one. In this case, I paid the bill online, so I type in online payment. So, now you've seen two ways on how to track your expenses in QuickBooks Online, which will help you track the health of your business. Thanks for listening to the video, and have a great day. You can also follow me on Twitter at TravisQBO.